Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Niloy. Number 1. Aloe Vera. Drinking plain aloe vera juice. You can drink plain aloe vera juice to lose weight. Just extract the gel out of the fresh aloe vera leaf and grind it well to make the juice. You will have to consume 1 teaspoon of this juice every day and store the rest in the refrigerator. Number 2. Cucumber. Fruits and vegetables, including cucumbers, aren't just good for your overall health, they're a welcome addition to weight loss diets. Cucumbers provide generous amounts of essential nutrients, including vitamins C and K, and they have some nutritional properties that make them helpful for weight loss. Number 3. Salvia. Many people are aware of the nutritional quality of the granules. There are many people who eat aroma of gourds from the stomach upset. Moreover, the use of cracking grains is used in the preparation of various fruit juices and faluda. It is rich in nutrients and minerals. Tocma Dana is also known as Salviya Hispanika. Its production is more likely in Smeinxico. Ancient Maya and Aztecs communities are known to use the use of Tokama granule first. Number 4. Cumin Weight Loss Drink. Soak 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds in water overnight and boil the seeds in the morning. Filter it to remove the seeds and squeeze a half-cut lemon to this. Drink it on an empty stomach every morning for 2 weeks for quick weight loss. Number 5. Lemon. In particular, poor digestion hinders weight loss by stopping the body getting the nutrients it needs to burn fat and by causing a buildup of toxins in the bloodstream that slows down metabolism. That's where lemon juice and peel comes to the rescue. So viewers, do not delay anymore. Subscribe our channel now, like and share. If you do not benefit yourself, you can help thousands of people by sharing. Thanks for watching.